तो मैंने एक चीज नोट की है, आज तुम इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, क्या ये दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का फर्क पड़ गया है?
They always speak in English, so
क्या ये वही दीपक है? इज द सेम दीपक, सेम गाय?
I never expected like.
हाउ इज द लाइफ देयर?
It's great.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज विनीत पांडे एंड वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय फैमिली ऑफ यूट्यूब। दोस्तों, हमारे साथ आज एक वो शख्स है जिन्होंने हमसे सबसे पहले बात की थी CUET का एग्जाम क्वालिफाई करके। उस इंटरव्यू में हमने बातचीत की थी कि गांव से दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का सफर आपका कैसा है। आज हमारे साथ वो लड़का यहाँ पे है, वो शख्स यहाँ पे है और उन्होंने क्वालिफाई किया है नेट। वो बच्चा जो कुछ समय पहले गांव में विदाउट गाइडेंस, जहाँ बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल्स नहीं है, सोर्सेज नहीं है, सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ के उस बच्चे ने CUET PG जैसे एंट्रेंस को क्वालिफाई किया और दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में जगह बनाई। आज वो बच्चा हमारे साथ दोबारा मिलने है, हमसे बात करने है और आज वो आके कह रहा है कि सर मैंने नेट क्वालिफाई किया है। सो जी हाँ दोस्तों, मिलते हैं दीपक से। दीपक, स्वागत है आपका।
Thanks, sir. Thanks for inviting me once again here. And this place is very familiar to me because I was here, as you have said earlier. Like I was qualified CUET PG entrance exam, and I got admission in Department of English, Delhi University North Campus. Really, sir, your guidance is a miracle for me. Like I never imagined like I got admission in such a prestigious university here.
थैंक यू सो मच दीपक। एंड आई हैव नोटिस वन थिंग। सो एज यू नो, हमारे जितने भी कन्वर्सेशंस है, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बातचीत होती है, आर्टिफिशियल नहीं होता। तो मैंने एक चीज़ नोट की है। नोट ये किया है कि तुम्हारे लास्ट इंटरव्यू में बहुत सारी बातचीत हिंदी में हुई है, आज तुम इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो। क्या ये दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का फर्क पड़ गया है?
या सर बिल्कुल। बिकॉज every interview session or when we meet together, I have a lot of friends in DU and I'm living in the hostel. Like they are awesome. Like they always speak in English, so this is the great thing.
My point is that क्या ये वही दीपक है? Is the same Deepak, same guy?
Yeah sir, but it's completely
it's completely different. So Deepak, before we talk about your journey and story, I would like to say first, tell me, कैसा चल रहा है तुम्हारा लाइफ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में? How is the life going on?
Actually, sir, I never expected like I would be there, like at that position. Actually, sir, everything is awesome. The academics, the hostel life, and the friends are very good. They came from a great background actually, and the way they speak, the way they delineate things, it's completely awesome.
It's like completely a different world.
Yeah, it is.
And what about the curriculum, academics, professors, legendary professors of DU?
Sir, professors are very nice. Like they treat us not as a mentor, like as a friend. We can talk freely and without any hesitant. We go in their chambers, we talk and we share things, not at the academics level but also personal things as well.
Are you living separately or are you living in a hostel, DU hostel?
Yeah, I'm living in the hostel.
You are in a DU hostel, great.
Yeah.
How's the life there?
Yeah, it's great. We have legendary scholars there.
Scholars are there.
And not from the same discipline, but there is a lot of diversity there. Someone is they are working on different discipline like psychology, pol science, environmental science, law. There is a huge.
It's like we can simply say that you are surrounded by the brilliant minds in your hostel.
Yeah. Sir.
And you're learning from everyone.
Yeah.
So are you just a silent learning student coming from a weak basic background, or you are also dominating?
Yeah, of course. Everyone, those who are living in my hostel, like they are they very friendly to me.
They're very friendly to you.
Yeah, those who are scholars, they always help me to preparing research proposals. They guide us to write research papers, and they are awesome actually. They help me at every point of my academic journey, and they also help me personal level, and they encourage me a lot.
So tell me this, like if we talk about 1 year before, your village, so where are you from?
I'm from Sant Kabir Nagar, Uttar Pradesh, and I came from a very a village, completely village
background.
Yeah, because the light facility and the basic facility is not there.
No electricity, internet.
Internet we hardly get actually.
So you hardly get internet. You were not getting electricity.
Yeah.
And in the last interview also you told me that people don't talk about English studies.
Yeah, English study is a very big thing, and to reach at this place, it's a dream. Like,
So when you joined me online for CUET PG, how did you get to know about me that I should join this guy?
actually, sir, when I was thought to prepare CUT PG, I was thinking like it's impossible for me, and then I start watching YouTube's. There are a lot of YouTube channels, but when I came at Sahitya classes YouTube channel, I immediately came to know like this is the place where I can crack any exam, either it is a CUT PG or today like.
So today you are
UGC-NET.
net qualified.
Yeah.
Now
And I'm pretty sure like next time I'll get JRF as well, because your study materials, your books, like 15 books and everything, like it's a great. Once like anyone, those who complete your course from very beginning, definitely after completing he will feel a great energy and he can crack an exam.
the same CUET PG course helped you to qualify net.
Yeah.
That you want to speak, right?
Yeah. Sir.
Because I also would say this, that once you qualified CUET PG and then you went to Delhi University background.
Yes, sir.
So the knowledge, material, notes you already had, plus your own hard work in that surrounding.
Yeah.
Because one thing I would say, whatever the teacher teaches, it is his duty. It is my duty to teach the best.
Yes,
But it is the student who makes the teacher proud. Dronacharya is Dronacharya because he had Arjun.
Yeah.
If there had been no Arjun, no Bhim, why would people talk about Dronacharya?
Yeah, sir.
So God bless you, and tell me more. Tell me this: like coming from a village background
Yeah, sir.
and now a part of Delhi University, what is the difference you see?
Actually, it is a completely different. As I have said before, like it was a dream actually. Now it has come true, and now I'm just seeing beyond my dream that I used to see before when I was.
Sometimes do you talk to yourself that now you're here, make the
Yeah.
best of it?
Yeah, sir. Absolutely, sir. Like it's a great thing, great achievement, I would say. But
And-
really, there is a lot of things that is left, but I will complete with your.
Are you
guidance.
also taking part in activities, student activities?
Yeah, sir. Like in my hostel, actually, I'm member of a committee. It is called anti-ragging and
Great.
sexual harassment committee.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good.
I'm member of that committee, and I'm also like the student. Like now we have juniors, like those who came in first year. They always talk to me. They always take guidance from me.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And I feel very privileged at that time. Like
It also makes you responsible
Yeah.
too. Because now people are taking guidance, so you must be very responsible.
Yeah.
Apart from this, what is the difference of, like, it's a common question. People are studying in the villages. Now you're studying here. So what is the difference in, well, like, most of the people who are still in villages, they don't get these things. Those top level professors, top libraries, regular conferences, seminars, surroundings. So do you really feel that these things should be available for the village students also, rural students also?
Yeah, of course, sir. Like the exposure that I'm getting here, they are not getting even 1% of this. Like we have central library, braille library, and we have
You also have a Braille library there in India.
yeah. Like it is a completely, like it is the same building, but this is for
Students who are visually impaired, yeah.
yeah, visually impaired. And we have a department library as well, where we can get thesis or research papers.
So what you said is that the people who are in the village are not getting even 1%.
Yeah, 1%. And even in my hostel there is a library for us.
That is the reason, that because when CUET exam was announced, I was really happy for this, because students from village will get some equal chances to come to DU and JNU.
Yeah, sir. Like,
And Deepak, it's really motivational for me too. Apart from this, tell me about your net journey, because like you told me that you have content and all, but still, how many hours you were studying separately?
actually, I would say like I'm pursuing masters from Delhi University, and we have a huge syllabus here in DU, and we have to read that one as well. And I was simultaneously reading for UGC-NET. So really, I did like it's a great thing, but simultaneously to read this it was difficult.
So
actually.
this is our strategy. Like when we teach in CUET-PG, we provide net level content.
Yeah, sir.
And sometimes I tell my student that it will help you in net. You have proved it.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, because I could not read well for the UGC-NET, but that content which I got when I was preparing for CUET-PG, like that helped me a lot here in this.
That's amazing, Deepak. So tell me this: what are your suggestions for the students from village area who are preparing for CUET-PG and obviously NET in future?
I would say really join Sahitya classes. That is a great platform to reach at that level. Like,
but join me for what?
Because sir, your language, your teaching skill is awesome. And you know, one thing I would like to say, like you're not teaching for the academics, but really to become a you know self-motivated person in life, to get a moral, you know, that you know your content is not for the academics, it is for moral support as well.
Like I keep motivating.
Yeah.
And did you have any reference? Like I have my own DU experience. I used to teach there.
Yeah.
So
sir. This helped me a lot.
Tell me some names of professors who have inspired you.
Sir, you.
Oh no, I'm not. No, not me. DU professors. Because you know, I would like to learn from those people if I get a chance.
Yeah. There is a professor who is teaching Dalit literature.
Rajkumar sir. Legend, man. Legend.
Yeah, sir. And there are some more teachers I would call Ujjwal Jaina.
Ujjwal is amazing.
Yeah. And we have few more teachers.
Many others. Henny Babu, Gautam Chakravarti. They have been, you know, amazing when I was the part of these things. So when you come across these professors, then hardworking students from various sectors, do you feel responsible? And you feel that I have to contribute back to my people, society, India, because now you'll be a professor next 3-4 years once you're done with your PhD.
Actually, sir, my dream is to support those who are from rural background or any subaltern of the society.
Subalterns of society. Yeah. That's
I want
amazing.
to contribute to reach, to achieve whatever they want.
So can we say that now you're dreaming to help the subalterns, you're dreaming to help the people who are still suffering and are having backward, you know, kind of base. It's only because you made your path first.
Yeah, sir.
आप सफल हुए हो और अब आप चाहते हो रास्ता में दूसरों के लिए बनाओ.
Yeah, sir. Like, you know, the way I came here, like I don't have any, you know, you are the source of to reach at that level, and I don't have anyone. Those, you know, those who guided me. You are the one. And you know, and now I want to be one of them who guide them, like those who are from rural background, poor, or you know, any separate part of the society.
This is greatness of yours. क्योंकि अगर आपको बहुत कम गाइडेंस मिल पाई या शायद एक ही गाइडेंस मिल पाई तो अब आपको भी किसी और के लिए गाइड बनना है. That's just amazing, Deepak. Apart from this, do you want to suggest something like for how many hours students should read and what should be the timetable, strategy, and obviously the motivation? What motivated you to work? भाई एक चीज़ है, देखो गांव में हम भी निकले गांव से तो बहुत से लड़के आवारागर्दी कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मस्ती कर रहे हैं या फिर विजनलेस है. आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया और अभी कैसा लग रहा है घर में आसपास गांव में?
Yeah, they are very happy actually, and I became inspiration for them.
Did people get surprised when you started talking in English and speaking?
Yeah, sir, absolutely, sir. And you know, I have a lot of friends. They call me when I you know when I live in the village, and when I talk to them, like you know, most are from Thailand and Iraq, Iran.
Delhi University has students from every country.
Yeah, and when I talk to them, when they call me, when I talk to them in English, you know, people get surprised. They completely like, what, he's talking in English.
Are you the same guy? Deepak bhai, kya ho gaya? English mein.
Yeah, sir. It is a completely. You know,
and the families will be coming to you कि 12th के बाद बच्चे को क्या करना है, guide कर दो.
Yeah, sir. You know, wherever I go in the village, they always say like, please guide my children. You know.
And your parents?
Yeah, they are very happy actually, and they are just saying like, do whatever you want, but I believe you will do a great thing.
घर में फैमिली में कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो अंग्रेजी में बात कर लेते हैं?
Actually, sir, I am the one.
That's an achievement, Deepak. That's achievement, and it's a beautiful session with you. You know, I just loved it. सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ ये है, दीपक, आप एक दूर से ज्वाइन करते हैं, किसी अननोन गांव से, अननोन विलेज से, कई बार मुझे नाम भी नहीं पता है बच्चे का कि किसने कोर्स लिया है, कौन पढ़ रहा है, तो बिना जाने पहचाने भी माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाऊँ और एक गांव के बच्चे को इमेजिन करके पढ़ाऊँ. व्हेन आई टीच, आई इमेजिन अ स्टूडेंट who is not understanding tough lectures, so I should make it easy.
Yeah, sir. One thing I would like to add, sir, your language is very, very good to understand. Like even those who don't know English.
It's simple because coming from a village background, not everybody understand. एक time था, I must tell you, हमारे मैथ्स के सर थे, तो वो बोर्ड पे मैथ सॉल्व करते थे ना, तो क्लास में कुछ बच्चे कॉपी को हाथ में लगाते थे और उनके साथ बोलते सर 25, 47 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. तो मैं सोचता था ये मन में कैसे करते हैं, मुझे तो कॉपी पे भी नहीं आता है. So sometimes the IQ levels, understandings, backgrounds. So I decided that my lectures will be targeting a student who is having average background.
Really?
So easy way में पढ़ाऊँ. And when you came here with your first time when you came here success के साथ तो DU में, it gives me a sense of a satisfaction that I'm doing something worth. आप उन गलियों से जब दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी पहुंचे हैं तो अब आपके लिए एक नया वर्ल्ड है. इट्स न्यू लाइफ.
Yeah, sir, it is complete.
जिन लेजेंडरी प्रोफेसर्स की बुक्स आती हैं लोगों के पास, आप उनसे टच में हैं.
Yeah, sir.
उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स मिल रही हैं, उनकी गाइडेंस है, उनकी क्लासेस मिल रही हैं. देन पीपल हु हैव जॉइंड दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रॉम अदर सेक्टर्स, सो दे आर लाइक यू सराउंडेड बाय स्कॉलर्स, सो मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ इट. दिस मैसेज आई वुड जस्ट आस्क यू टू गिव अ मंत्रा फॉर ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स. उनको एक मंत्र दे दो. क्या मंत्र देना चाहोगे अपनी तरफ से, क्या करना चाहिए लाइफ में?
Just read books and apply in your life as well. That will help others.
बहुत बढ़िया. यानी पढ़ते रहो और उसको अप्लाई करो. बुक्स को सिर्फ डेड रीडिंग करके मत छोड़ो, उसको अप्लाई करो.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया. आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू गिव मंत्रा फॉर यू गाइज. फेस योर फियर.
Yeah.
जिस चीज से डर लगे उसे जरूर
Face
करो.
it.
द गुड थिंग.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
क्लास में बम फोड़ के मत भाग जा. सर ने बोला है फेस योर फियर में इट्स लाइक फॉर यू ऑल्सो. कोई भी स्टेप लेना है, कोई भी डिसीजन लेना है एंड यू नो कि इसके रिपरकशंस हैं, बट आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर द गुड सेक, ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए, अच्छे लिए, तो करो, हिम्मत करो.
Yeah, sir. And sir, I always like whatever I think like it's a big task, it's a Herculean task for me. I always try to do because I know like when I'll go forward to do that, I will, if I want to be achieve, I won't be able to achieve, but I will get something from that.
Definitely.
So this thing I would like to say everyone, like just do whatever you want. Either you will failure is nothing, it's a myth kind of.
That's okay. Failure is nothing but a learning only.
Yeah, it is a learning thing. So just do and learn from that.
Perfect, Deepak. So we had a great session, Deepak. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, students, for watching. And remember this thing, that you too can do the miracles. So start working from today onwards. Make your timetable, stay focused, and remember, take care of your health, because fit body, healthy body has healthy brain. Good luck.
Yeah.